Where raw strength meets refined texture, discover the modern elegance of handcrafted design with Makaw decorative lime plaster and effect paints. Grainstone, a gray cement look finish, coarse yet smooth, enriched by fine decorative stone. To achieve this timeless wall design, you'll need Makaw lime plaster in gray and white, chameleon black pigment, fine stone. And of course, your trowel. Begin with a clean, smooth surface. Step 1. Add chameleon black to Makaw gray plaster until you achieve a deeper koala gray tone. Next, mix in fine stone for that signature grainy yet smooth texture. Apply your first coat evenly across the wall, then let it dry for about 1 hour. Apply the second coat layer by layer, sculpting the surface with your trowel for depth and variation. Finally, add a touch of Makaw white, and blend it gently into the gray to create natural highlights. Grainstone, a new wall design from Makaw decorative lime plaster and effect paints. Available in all SINCLAIR Pro Store nationwide.